Are you ready to embark on a thrilling career path that blends security expertise with fraud prevention? Welcome to 3CIR's Certificate 4 in Government Security, specializing in fraud control. This comprehensive course is designed for those passionate about safeguarding government operations. You'll gain keen insights into detecting and preventing fraud, mastering skills that meet the highest ethical and legal standards of the public sector. Imagine yourself as a security vetting officer, a fraud analyst, or even a government security consultant. The opportunities are vast and fulfilling. With our blend of theoretical knowledge and hands-on training, you'll be equipped to face real-world security challenges, positioning you as a top-tier professional in this domain. Study online at your pace with our interactive platform, backed by dedicated trainers ready to assist you. And for those with relevant experience, our recognition of prior learning pathway can fast-track your qualification. Don't wait to make a difference in the world of government security. Enroll now and be the catalyst for change. Your journey towards distinction and influence starts with 3CIR.